What's up, people? Welcome back to the Livewire Lab. If you're looking to upgrade your home Wi-Fi to the latest and greatest, today's unboxing is just for you. We're checking out the eero Pro 7, a Wi-Fi 7 powerhouse that brings next-level speed, coverage, and reliability. Let's crack open the box. Inside, you'll find the eero Pro 7 unit, power adapter, and an Ethernet cable. Everything you need to get started. The design is sleek and compact, making it easy to blend into any home setup. The eero Pro 7 is a super fast Wi-Fi system that makes your internet stronger and more reliable. It uses 3 different channels to send data, so your devices connect more efficiently and experience less lag. This means faster speed. The eero Pro 7 has true mesh technology, eliminating dead zones and optimizing traffic for a fast, stable connection throughout your whole home. This supports 200 plus connected devices, which is perfect for smart homes loaded with technology. If you're upgrading your Wi-Fi, the eero Pro 7 is a fantastic choice. Our team at Livewire ensures it's installed and configured correctly from the start, giving you seamless coverage and top-tier performance. No dead spots, no buffering, just fast, reliable internet everywhere. Are you ready for a next-generation Wi-Fi experience? Contact Livewire today and book an appointment now. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more expert tech insights from guys like me.
Hey, you want to do some Wi-Fi? Yeah, I thought you'd never ask. Well, let's team up. Let's put Wi-Fi all over the house. We can do it upstairs. We can do it downstairs. Let's do it together.
You don't have to use that.